This is the gift box for the ceramic Parrot Handled Mug or cup. As you can see, the gift box has got decoration all the way around. On all four sides it has decoration on the top and has the barcode on the bottom. To open the gift box, easy access to the gift box, we take the tab out from the front and lift the lid up, and inside we have a polystyrene protector which protects the mug in transit. Just a polystyrene square. The mug itself, take the mug out of the box and get rid of the box. The mug itself is wrapped in a polystyrene cloth. Again, this protects the mug in transit, but if I do transit or do post the mug, I actually put more packing inside to stop the mug from moving. As you can see, we have the parrot handle sitting on a branch. The body of the mug is cream with foliage decal. The mug is checked on the bottom for chips and checked on the top for chips before it's left. Just plain cream inside. Again, another look at the handle.